Uganda is really a total mess. Uganda is a joke. How can a Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries and Fishing and Minister of Youth, they are the one defending Uganda about the UN report eyafulumidde ku ggwanga lya South Sudan. Era bebali ku Twitter bebakube mundu. It's as if we don't have like a foreign minister, like tetulina ba ambassadors, tetulina like ba security ministers. It's as if we don't have anyone mu majege gwanga Uganda to defend and okudefendinga oba n'okuwaayo. These people bwe baba defendinga, they are not defending the evidence ezifulumira mu UN report, wabula they are defending according how they feel. They are using feelings to defend their boss, Muhoozi Kainerugaba and his father General Museveni. But they are not defending the country as Uganda, but they are defending their bosses. This is really a joke. This is really a total mess. Ugandans, we need to change. We need to change our country. Okitegeera bw'obeera ku Twitter n'olaba the comment of Balamu and simanya Franka tumwebaze. This is not agriculture affairs. This is not like kukulunda ante cattle. How can you keep a cattle? How can you do what? How can you grow coffee and bikaju and what? Those things in agriculture. This is external, like bino ebintu bya security. It's as if tetulina ba security ministers. But David Muhoozi baliwa, Bakayinda Otafiire baliwa, ba Okello Oryem, where are they to defend this? Uganda is really nzereka nkubulire, these people omanyi bagamba nti like ignorant is bad but arrogance is worst. Okitegeera omanyi Uganda Museveni yagenda n'akwata abantu okubateeka mu authority n'abateeka mu positions n'abateeka mu bifo bye batagwanidde kubeeramu. How can a minister of youth, minister w'abavubuka yali mu kuwa comments about the UN report ekwata ku security around the region, around the East African like community, around ense ziri you people waliwo wobera kugundi naku zino mbera ku social media nadala ku Twitter yo. I feel like I want to really Uganda is a joke. These people in Museveni's regime, these people in Museveni's government, they are not there to serve the country called Uganda. They are there to serve their boss, to do whatever it takes to impress their boss, to make their boss happy. But they are defending, like they are using their emotions and obangambe and cow mentality. Kati je bali mu kuvuma the senator, the American senators, bali mu bati obola. It's as if they are talking to these young boys of foot soldiers, these foot soldiers in Uganda. It's as if they are commenting on foot soldiers of NUP. It's as if they are commenting in like in internal affairs ezomunda mu ggwanga Uganda, because we Ugandans, we are naturally stupid by the way. These people, that's why they are playing on us. They can even comment like recklessly. They comment whatever they want to comment because they know Ugandans, we are fools. We cannot do anything about them. We cannot even take them out of offices. No, we cannot do that. That's why they can comment whatever stupid they want to comment. But on international level, this is like foreign policies. This is foreign kwegamba obangambe really bw'otunuulira comments Balamu zaali mukola on international level zaddamu ba senator b'eggwanga America about UN report eyafulumye nti eggwanga Uganda lyagenda mu South Sudan litandika okutta abantu with dangerous weapons, n'ebyokulwanyisa ebitakkirizibwa yadde ku mutendera gw'ensi yonna, n'ebyokulwanyisa ebyabaaningibwa internationally, n'ebyokulwanyisa ebyabaaningibwa ensi zonna nga tezibikkiriza bikozesa n'amawanga gennyini gali g'omanyi gannaggwano, naye nga Uganda yayina ebyokulwanyisa ebyo ebigulawa. Yonga Uganda ebigulawa era ebigula mu katale kinga ate byabaaningibwa okukozesa internationally. yo Uganda ebijjawa. Uganda bali mu criticizing, bali mu kujinenya. Abasajja bala munono tumwebaze. Tebafudde ku birimu report, UN report byafulumiza, tebafudde like ku bujulizi UN bweri mu kuleta. They are not about that, but they are like bali ku report as a report. They are not considering the evidence, they are not considering like mu report muli mu biki, but bo bali mu kuteesa ku report. Obo kitegeera bali mu kuteesa ku report. Okitegeera kwegamba ne webuuza tetuyina basajja bali tetuyina basajja basobola ku defendinga ggwanga in a diplomatic way, tetuyina basajja basobola ku defendinga ggwanga in a mannerful way, tetuyina basajja basobola ku defendinga ggwanga in a respective way. These people, they are behaving like hooligans. These people, they are behaving like abantu abatayina mpisa. It's as if they are talking with their children at home. It's as if they are talking with street kids on streets. That's the way they are replying these senators, these UN reporters, this UN commissioners. Really, this is sometimes it disturbs my mind. It's as if Balamu yali wawo nga kigato to comment on everything ekize nga ki attacking Muhoozi and his father. Kati notunulya, how can a Minister of Agriculture comment on a national security? That is not your department. Okay, if you want to comment it in a respective way. Comment it when you have like byoyina okwogera. Commenting nga byoyogera oli ku track. Naye bavudde ku report, ebintu bye bakomentinga biri personal. Ebintu bye bakomentinga biri totally far different from the report. It's as if we don't have ministers are supposed to comment on those issues. Can you imagine? Really, tulivinga munsi eri mu katemba nga n'abantu abali mu bifo sometimes they don't deserve to be in those positions because really